Introducing the Coleman Pilbara C0 and C0 Sleeping Bags. These sleeping bags provide a warm and spacious experience for all outdoor adventures. They are made from 100% cotton, which means they are comfortable and breathable. These sleeping bags feature zip plow, which ensures snag-free opening and closing. The thermalock prevents heat from being lost through the zipper. And you'll love the Cosy Foot, which includes fleece in the base of the bag for extra warmth. There is also a two-way foot zipper for better temperature control. The Comfort Cuff soft fabric around the face and neck means you'll enjoy longer nights' sleep with a luxury feel. You'll also find an internal storage pocket, which makes it easy to store valuable belongings. The -3 bag has a removable fleece liner, which adds to the overall warmth and helps keep the bag clean. When your trip comes to an end, the Pilbara features our quick cord and roll control technology for a seamless pack. And the 4-way compression stuff sack keeps the bag compact for easy transport and storage. These sleeping bags are machine washable, so you can get back out into the wild even quicker. Coleman, the outside is calling.